Hello, my dear Virgos. This is Sri Vidya, and we'll be doing your love and relationship reading for the month of November. Okay, let's begin with your reading. I'll be first taking out the angel card. The angel card advice I like to the point. So I have decided to first take out what angels want to say to you. This is some guidance card. So now for my Virgos, final time shuffling for my Virgos love and relationship reading for the month of November. What advice my angels would give to my Virgos? Let's begin. Along with your advice, my angels, please advise my Virgos. Give a card, please. Give 3 cards. Give cards for my Virgos regarding their love life. Advice card for my Virgos regarding their love life in the month of November. Please give me a card, my dear angel. Please give me a card regarding love and relationship reading for my Virgos. Silence your thought. Okay. Now this is someone who is constantly thinking. You could be constantly thinking, and it is causing some blockages. You're not able to get out of a situation if you are constantly thinking. So you need to first of all calm yourself, release the excess emotions that you have, and then think, because excessive thinking can paralyze us. So don't think excessively. It's easily said than done, but you can do it through meditation or something like watching movie or getting yourself out of it. Seek within. The other card is seek within. This is the time where I can see that you are not being supported by your partner and you are alone, you're feeling alone. But use this time also, because sometimes this time makes a big major brings a major shift in your life, because then you start to realize what is happening, what you're going through. You can see the bigger picture, understand yourself. There's a total world inside us, so you should and step into the light. Beautiful energy, step into the light. So like, you are in darkness currently, you are in darkness, and you have to reach from this stage to this stage through this method. You need to have some meditation, or you need to have some, and universal love is also at the bottom of the deck. This means that you lack love for yourself, you lack love for others because of something that has happened in your life. Some turbulence definitely has happened, but this is also for good. And someone could be some of you could have a name starting with S, that's for sure. Or your partner could be, it's your energy. S. S is coming from S. So definitely S energy. Some of you could be could have names starting from S. Let me know for those who resonated with this. Okay. Now let's see the current self of yours, what you are going through. Let's begin your reading. This is the crux of the reading. This is the guidance that angels wants to give to you. Now let's see what actually you are going through. What is happening in your life, the current self. The Fool reversed. Okay. Now, Fool is air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. You could be connecting with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, my dear Virgos. There is some lack of courage in your part. Because why you are in Fool energy, and that too reversed. You don't want to take any leap of faith. You are like seeing more problem in it than solution. Why the Fool energy is in reversed? Angels, please guide me. What's happening with them? This is major arcana, so you're going through a major phase of life. Knight of Pentacles, because you want to take things slow. You don't want to just rush into the thing in which you don't have much, much expertise. You're not sure where you are going. That's why you have taken a back step. You're taking slowly. You're pursuing things slowly. If this in this relationship or out of this relationship, the crowning energy, the foundation energies, please, what your angels wants to convey, what your guardian angels wants to convey. One second, guys. Okay. 5 of Wands, that too in reverse. So this is like something battle going on within you, or with your partner. Some like some disputes, some legal fights also. It could be legal fights also. the fight that has gone out of your control, total chaotic situation. You could be in a total chaotic situation. What happened in the past? What happened in the past, please? Wow. Now this is what I call lovers in love reading. So this is beautiful card. Lovers is Gemini energy. Definitely some of you could have a name starting from S, or your partner's name could have been starting from S, and you could be connecting with a Gemini. So you were totally in love. What happened? One more card to clarify the lovers. What happened in the past? You were in love. You both were in love. You both are twin flames, soulmate. This is a soulmate connection also. A true love, what I can say. Until this devil card comes with it. That is something I don't admire. Please clarify the lovers here in the past. Please clarify the lovers here in the past. You could be, could have gone to some vacations, but things turn abruptly. Major energies are here. Now, Wheel of Fortune. This is reversed. So this is again Aries, Leo, Sag energy. So this means that, and since Moon, this Pisces energy, Moon is in the deck. So this shows that something was hidden from you, and it came to the light maybe, and just triggered an event. You both were not lucky in love. The divine timing was not there. The timing didn't come there. You were close to it, but it didn't happen. Okay. Crowning energies, please. King of Swords. You are trying to, now see, you are trying to walk out of this relationship. Something happened that you are somehow angry also at this person, and you want to get out of this relationship. You are actually logically thinking that I cannot go further with this relationship. I need some stability for myself. And here the situation is very chaotic, and you just want to walk out of it. You want to cut him out of your life. Why? What happened? Please let me know in the comments. This really helps me. Future energies. Future energies. Three of Pentacles. Now you could have some mutual friends between you people, and they could try through them, either any of you could try to build up this relationship. Someone is wanting to, like your partner is wanting you to be in this relationship. If he is married or went to someone else, then he wants you to be a part of this threesome. I'm really sorry to say, this is energy that is coming. Let me get one more card for future. Why Three of Pentacles is here? Why Three of Pentacles is here? Now Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is that you and that to reverse. This is like you are like dreaming a lot, and there is no communication right now between you and your partner. In the future also, this is your energy to work. This is your energy to take advice from friends, maybe to take some advice, to work, to be a team player. This is your energy in the future, but you are dreaming about it. You're not taking action. You want to take action, but you're not taking action about this. This is something like you're like someone who in the future energy that I'm saying, you like this someone who is avoiding the truth, who wants to just put all the problems under the rug and move towards you are wanting the other person to come towards you. This is that energy that you're dreaming a lot. You are in that energy. Currently you are in a different energy, but in future you're going to be in a very different energy. Okay, let's get some clarificatory cards regarding this. And you both are not at all communicating with each other, or the communication is just superficial. It's not happening that it used to happen. Please clarify the current self. Please clarify the current self for my Virgos. Please clarify the current self for my Virgos. My dear Virgos, please post your comments so that I could really understand what is going on. Since this is a general reading, I cannot be very sure. But with your comments, it really helps a lot. Okay, current self. I told you, you're moving out of the relationship, and you are going to some place that is, you are overburdened with this relationship. You want to just move away from this chaotic type of energy. Something happened. The past was like so beautiful, and then you just want to get away from this. Okay, your foundation energy, please clarify five of wands in reverse. Five of wands in reverse, please clarify the five of wands in reverse, my dear angels. You need to listen to something. You need to listen to the other party. The Chariot, Cancer energy. Now, there is something like you are in a chaotic situation and you don't want to work towards this relationship, but on the other hand, you want to move ahead about this. Means you are in a you are in just mixed of your energy. Firstly, you want to move away from this relationship, on the other hand you want to move towards the other person because you love him a lot. He has been your soulmate, he has been with you in the past. So this is dual kind of energy that I am sensing over here. Okay, now please clarify the past card. Please clarify the past card. What happened in the past that the situation went so wrong? What happened in the past that the situation went so wrong? 3 3. Okay, there could be some third party. There could be some third party. Someone just, your world just went crashing down. That's what I am seeing over here. This was not supposed to happen, but this happened. Like for example, someone is in love with some with a person, but the parents of that other person made him marry someone else. But in that case, you cannot say that parents made him marry. That person also married. You know, that person made a choice to marry someone else. So if that is the case for some of you, then be very clear that you don't want to be in a threesome energy, because I am seeing this. You are hoping that he doesn't love the the wife of that person, and he comes to you. But this is something that I don't rely on. This is for only some group of people, not for all. Take it how it resonates with you. Okay, now here, King of Swords, please clarify the King of Swords. Please clarify the King of Swords. Please clarify the King of Swords. Why King of Swords is here? For my Virgos, why King of Swords is here? Eight of Swords. You are like, you want to get out of, and Lovers, see, Lovers upside down. This means that the love is no more. Here is the Lover, and in the other day the Lovers is reversed. Love is like, love was too much there. But now is that you want to concentrate on yourself because your partner made a very wrong choice. But also I'm feeling that you want to disconnect with him, but it's not very easy for you to get disconnected with him. You are constantly silence your thoughts, and here you are all the time thinking. You are stuck with the thoughts. Sword energy is all about thoughts. So you are thinking a lot of him. You want to cut away from him, but then you want to go to him somehow, even though you don't accept that you want to go to him. But at the back of the mind, my cards are showing that you really want to hug him, and want to also want to tell him why he did those things. I'll get his cards also, so be patient. What about the future? Temperance, this is Sagittarius energy. You are in the future also. I'm seeing you very much angry. You are not healing yourself. The future is not certain. The future is like this, a mathematical calculation that because of your current self, your future would be like this. So you need to work on your how you go with it, how you heal yourself. One second, guys. Okay, sorry. So now, where were we? That this is the possible outcome that come to you regarding if you are not healed, if you are not clear what you really want. You need to first silence your thoughts, seek within, see how the cards are correlating, and then step into. This means that first of all, you need not to think so much that you are thinking a lot whether I should do this or I should not. Instead, I really advise you to go watch some movie, be with your friends, or do something that cherishes you. You need to ground yourself. For grounding, you can move on the grass, or you can do some mud work. Anything you can do for grounding. You need to ground yourself, release the stress that you have, and then love, concentrate over yourself. This is seek within. See what you really want, besides him, what you want to do, and then you come to a conclusion, then you heal yourself. This is like you're not being healed with the current scenario. This is an advice card that you need to heal yourself so that you can see through the clouds. Otherwise you can make a wrong decision, that's very sure, because you're totally in love with that person. Let me get some cards about what the other person thinks about you. Okay, let me clear these cards so that I can make space. Thank you, thank you, thank you, my dear angels. Okay, so let's see. Okay, what your partner is actually thinking about you, the current self of the partner of my Virgos, current self of partners of my Virgos, current self of partners of my Virgos, what they are currently. One card, please. I'll be taking other card also, but right now just one card. Current self of partners of my Virgos. Final time shuffling, then also I'll be getting two cards. So it is current self of partners of my Virgos. Current self of partners of my Virgos. Current self cards, please, for partners of my Virgos. That person is also thinking a lot. That's for sure. That person is like thinking a lot, what he has done, how to get over this, what to do. Okay, Ace of Wands. Again, major arcana. Ace of Wands is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. No, sorry, Aries, Leo, Sag energy. This is like his passion is also like not. He doesn't see any beginning here. Let me see, because he juggled with you in the past with some other person. Please clarify the Ace of Wands. Please clarify the Ace of Wands. Okay, now this is his current self. This is not regarding what he thinks of you. His current self is that he could be a Leo also. His current self is that he is not, passionate towards the relationship in which he is. If he has made some choice, if he had some made, in partnership with someone else or married with someone else, he is not happy in that. He is not feeling the passion that he felt for you. Although he is like strongly showing that I am happy, but he is not. What he feels about you, what the partner of Virgos feels about them, what the partner of my Virgos feels about them. Now this is Page of Cups reversed. He feels, sorry for my phone ringing, but let's continue with the reading over here. Page of Cups reversed means that he's like, he wants like you are waiting for him to come, he is waiting for you to come to him and to like make some apology or make something. He wants a message from you, in short. He also picks his phone to message you, but then he drops it because he knows that he has done some blunders have been done. Please, what he feels about my Virgos, what he feels about my Virgos, what he feels about my Virgos. He is also dreaming a lot. You both are mirroring each other. Okay, I've got two cards. Let's take two cards. Five of Wands. He is an Knight of Wands. Wands. And this is King of Wands. This is not Knight of Wands. This is King of Wands. Okay, he is like, here you see the Ace of Wands, the relationship in which he is not passionate, but regarding you, he is full of passion. He is full of passion, and he is also angry with you. Why you now he sees that you are concentrating on yourself, you are leaving him. So it could be that he is, because of that, he is angry on you. He wants to confront you, and he's right now he's thinking that you should approach him, you should apologize to him for whatever you have done. Otherwise he's thinking of like, if you won't go to him, he'll come to you and he'll be in a very angry mode as well. He could bring some chaotic situation back from which you are running. He could bring that situation back. Hidden energies, what he is hiding from you, what your partner is hiding from you, Oh my god. He is still juggling. He is still juggling. Still he is in he is not total committed towards you. One more card to clarify hidden energies. What he is hiding. One more card please to clarify hidden energies. What he is hiding from my Virgos. What he is hiding from my Virgos. Please tell me what he is hiding from my Virgos. That he is not happy in the marriage. I told you he is not at all. And the love is reversed. He know that love has gone down, his passion has gone down, he has made a wrong choice. And he's like he's showing with a very strong approach that he is happy in the marriage, but he is not at all happy in the relationship in which he is in, and with which he juggled you. Wow. Any future energies that he would take action towards you? Future card. Nine of Pentacles. Like he sees you like you are flourishing, but you're inside you are like you are not at all, healed. But outside you are doing great. You are, if whatever business you are in, whatever work you do, you are flourishing in that. And you are like saying that you're single, and that's what he doesn't like. And he is keeping an eye on you as well. Now this is something that he sees you that you have let go of him and you are flourishing, you are being happy. And he is keeping an eye on this. You must feel that he is not caring, he is not doing anything, but he is keeping a tab on you. He might take some action towards you, or since this is Pentacles energy, he'll be giving you something, some gifts to something he is going to do regarding money. Right now he's waiting for you to approach to him. Okay, give me some cards for my Virgos, what their partner would like to say to my Virgos. What their partner would like to say to my Virgos. I can't ignore the signs I am receiving any longer. Now, these are the signs that you are letting him go. So now he is like being very impatient. Earlier he could have wanted you to approach him, but you didn't. I can still feel you. Definitely he can. One more card. Oh, I've got two cards. Okay, beautiful card. This is the grass wasn't greener on the other side. I told you he must have married, he must have opted someone else out of you, and he thought it would be very great, but it wasn't. Your words linger in my mind. I miss you regardless of how things seems. Wow. That person has made a major mistake in his life. And now he is showing you that he is happy, but he is not. Few more cards. I am burning with passion for you. I told you that he is very much passionate about you. He is. He is very much passionate towards you. Okay. What I would give to run my fingers through your hair. This is all about passion. All about passion. He is like he sees you prospering, and that he doesn't like. That he doesn't like. Okay. Now I am entwined in thoughts of finding you one day. You are so precious to me. Wow. This is like this person, like love was there in the beginning also. Love is like, now I am seeing that it's a very mature person. Whatever he made, that was that. I won't say that he made it by mistake. No, he opted for it. He took you for granted, and then he went to other side, and then now he is seeing that grass is not greener at that side. That person, he's not passionate. See, his passion has died down with that person, and he is not at all happy in that marriage. He wants to come back to you. So it all depends on you how you react to this person. But as far as I go, I'll be like, no. So let's see. Please post your comment. I would request you to please post your comments, because I do such a long reading with, with total heart. So I would like to see how things matches with you. Bye. Srividya signing off.